Good morning, guys. Today we're eating pizza for lunch. We're going to heat up this on heat up in our air fryer. We're going to use our air fryer to heat up pizza today. Heat up the pizza here, guys. So later we settle this here to 160. And then we heat up later 5 minutes. See, 15 to 20 minutes. See, guys, here's our pizza. It's ready to heat up. Okay, on the power. Right, 160 here. Then we put 5 minutes. 5 minutes, guys. Okay, guys, while waiting for a pizza, let me show you the view outside Singapore from on top of our house. Here, guys, you see the view of Singapore. The cloud today, the weather is so hot. The view to the other side. Welcome to Singapore, guys. Thanks for the support. Like, comment, and share to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day. And God bless us all. Keep safe us all always. And here we go. It's haven't done, guys. Yeah, we still have 2 more minutes left. Oh, it's done. It's done, guys. It's already done. Let's open it. Wow. Yummy.
Hello, guys. Guys, look, it's so good. Where's that broccoli? Hello, guys. Have a nice day today. We're eating pizza. Thanks for watching and for supporting our YouTube channel. Come on, let's eat, guys. Pizza. Emotion. good.
So yummy.
So
You
yummy.
get a yum, 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 yum.
Yum, yum. Yes, sunshine? I also want
It's so cheesy, guys. Yummy, yummy pizza. Yummy, yummy pizza. Mm.
Everybody, let's go! O cara faz e a bunda dela bate, bate. E o grave faz e a bunda dela